Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to meet some incredible talents. People who push past boundaries and make the impossible look easy. All right, let's dive in. Imagine a great truck manufacturing empire, where each vehicle that leaves the factory is not just a vehicle, but a testament to breakthrough and dominance. That is FAW Trucks, China's largest truck manufacturer, a name that has reshaped the transportation industry of the country of 1 billion people. At the Hino Trucks plant, giants are born. This is where light and medium-duty trucks are built, each one a perfect blend of advanced technology and meticulous craftsmanship. From the assembly line, Hino trucks are built to handle everything from urban driving to extreme off-roading, delivering exceptional strength and durability for every type of transport. On the assembly line, industrial robots work tirelessly with absolute precision, placing each part in the right place. We will see powerful engines lowered into chassis, comfortable cabins attached, and complex electrical systems meticulously connected. If you find the video interesting and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always ready to listen to your opinions. A trip to the Peterbilt factory in the US is a step into a world where giant machines are born. Along the long assembly line, hundreds of skilled workers toil away. From bare steel frames, trucks take shape through meticulous steps. Powerful engines are placed in place, shiny cabs are fitted, and thousands of tiny parts are assembled with precision. Coming off the modern assembly lines, Axello and Attigo are more than just trucks. They embody the perfect combination of advanced German technology and strong Brazilian manufacturing capabilities. These models are designed to overcome all challenges of terrain and harsh operating conditions, from crowded urban streets to rugged rural roads. A vast industrial complex where steel is bent, engines roar, and powerful Mercedes-Benz trucks are born. That is the Mercedes-Benz Trucks plant in Turkey, a strategic manufacturing hub that plays an important role in the global network of this prestigious brand. Step into the Peterbilt factory and you will be lost in the world of giant machines, where the legendary American long-haul trucks are born. Here, it is not just the steel frames that are assembled, but also the art of manufacturing, where every detail is meticulously assembled, from the smallest electrical wires to the powerful engines. Gearing up for a tour of the Brisbane Truck Show 2025. Want to immerse yourself in the world of giant machines, cutting-edge technology, and the future of transport? Join us on a thrilling virtual tour of the upcoming Brisbane Truck Show 2025. When the Mercedes-Benz e-Actros 600 production line at Daimler Trucks kicks off, imagine, this is more than just a truck. This is a behemoth, powered entirely by electricity, ready to revolutionize global logistics. Every vehicle rolling off the line makes a bold statement about its zero emissions commitment, redefining the power and efficiency of freight transport. If you find the video interesting and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always ready to listen to your opinions. Get ready to crown a new monarch. The 2025 Scania 660 isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition of power and prestige on the open road. The undisputed king of trucks just got a whole lot mightier, bolder, and more advanced. Prepare for an unparalleled driving experience where raw strength meets cutting-edge innovation. Step into the heart of Japanese manufacturing excellence, where precision meets power, the Isuzu Truck Factory in Japan. Here, a century of pioneering automotive heritage culminates in the creation of some of the world's most reliable and powerful commercial vehicles. Step into the heart of the American auto industry, where Toyotas are not only made, but crafted with absolute precision. A tour of the Toyota Camry factory is not only a journey into the assembly process, but also a window into the secrets of how Toyota's supercars are made in America. In Japan, the journey begins with the foundation elements. The chassis is meticulously crafted, followed by expert cabin welding. Each component undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring the legendary durability Isuzu is known for. The paint job gives the trucks their iconic finish before the complex final assembly process begins. where the engine, transmission, and every essential component are seamlessly integrated. Dream into the world of giants, where power and precision combine to create Europe's leading transport machines. This is more than just a factory. This is the Scania Superfactory, a cutting-edge industrial hub where each truck is born from meticulousness and cutting-edge technology. Uncover the hidden secrets. Behind every Massey tractor, there is a fascinating journey of creation. Join us as we go behind the scenes, witnessing the entire assembly and operation of the factory. From the raw parts to the finished machine, you will be amazed by the meticulousness, advanced technology, and strength of the team that creates these legendary tractors. Entering the Scania factory, you will witness a fascinating journey, from raw steel sheets to the formation of powerful Scania trucks. This is not just a production process, but an art of manufacturing where human meticulousness combines with the most advanced technology to create giants on every road. Inside the creative heart of JAC Motors in China. Imagine a vast technology hub where groundbreaking ideas are conceived and turned into reality. That's the JAC Motors factory in China. At JAC factories, the light truck manufacturing process is more than just simple assembly. It is a sophisticated combination of modern technology and the talented hands of skilled workers. From the selection of high-strength steel materials, through each stage of stamping, automatic welding by robots with absolute precision, to the steps of anti-rust electrostatic painting and assembling a powerful engine. Immerse yourself in the heart of innovation and engineering, where the Volvo new FH 2013 comes to life. Every component, from the rugged chassis to the ergonomic cabin, comes together in a ballet of precision and technology. Watch robots work tirelessly, laser weld and assemble with precision, while skilled craftsmen put the finishing touches on the product. Step into the heart of truck manufacturing, where the Iveco factory breathes life into the legendary Eurocargo. This is more than just an assembly plant. It is an innovation hub where cutting-edge technology and the skillful hands of engineers and workers transform steel and components into powerful, versatile trucks ready to conquer any road. If you find the video interesting and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always ready to listen to your opinions. Heavy machinery industry, where Hyundai excavator manufacturing turns raw steel into powerful earth-moving machines. Crawler excavators. This is not just a factory, but an innovation hub where advanced engineering and human meticulousness come together. Imagine a tour that takes you to the heart of the mining industry. This is where the giant machines are made, the Hitachi excavators you see working in quarries around the world. From the heart of Texas, where innovation and craftsmanship meet, the Peterbilt legend is born. Manufacturing these massive trucks in the United States is a meticulous process that combines cutting-edge technology with decades of experience, creating vehicles synonymous with durability, strength, and style. The hulking machines that tower over America's vast highways are American semi-trucks. With their gleaming chrome grills, soaring vertical exhaust pipes, and spacious cabins, they are more than just vehicles for transporting goods. They are symbols of power, endurance, and the spirit of freedom on the endless road. Immerse yourself in a world of technology and meticulousness, where luxurious tourist buses and durable public buses are mass-produced in Japan's leading factories. This is more than just a normal manufacturing process. It is a symphony of precision engineering, where each piece is assembled with Japanese perfection. Inside the iconic Massey Ferguson factory in Pakistan, tractors are not just built, they are built for resilience. Every part, every weld is a testament to the dedication to creating machines that will stand the test of time. Behind every powerful truck is a complex manufacturing process where innovation and cutting-edge engineering come together. From the first design drawings to the moment the truck rolls off the assembly line, building the Volvo New FH 2013 is more than just assembling parts. It's about creating a perfect machine, fine-tuned down to the smallest detail. Explore the 2020 Mack Anthem 64T, a showcase of power, performance, and comfort on the road. Take a deep dive into every aspect of this rugged, aerodynamic machine, from its aggressive exterior to its meticulously designed, driver-focused interior. Step into the heart of American truck manufacturing, where the mighty machines of Mack trucks are built. This is more than just a factory, it's a symphony of steel, technology, and precision. If you find the video interesting and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest content. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always ready to listen to your opinions. Volvo VNL860 truck. Explore from A to Z. Are you ready to admire the mobile home on the long road? Let's explore in detail the 2020 Volvo VNL860, a monument of comfort and performance in the world of long-distance trucks. Step into a world of precision and mechanical power where billions of dollars are invested to build these off-road giants. This world-class truck factory tour takes you inside every step of the way, from raw steel to a finished truck rolling off the line. Thank you for watching. I hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye, and see you again.